Good evening, ma'am. Bridge stairs, garbage bag, tacos, coffee for morning. Here I'm standing. This is Lithuania. This is River Nemunas, and another side of the shore is Kaliningrad. Small part of Russia. So let's move along and I will try to follow this river. There is plenty of tiny trails and roads and everything, and let's see what is up there. Russia is at war with Ukraine, also with Europe. Tensions is higher than usual, so I think border patrols may want to give me some questions or something. I will be no surprised if they decide to stop me and check what I am doing here. Yeah, so I was stopped by border patrols. They were super friendly. They just checked my ID and gave a few questions where I'm going, but they are saying that a lot of fishermen and people are camping around here, so this is really no big deal. Just I cannot lift drone and I cannot take pictures or film anything that is cameras hanging on towers and stuff like that. And this is the bridge from the stones. I don't even know, I do not find any information about this bridge, who built it and what is the purpose, but on other side I cannot enter. There is a restricted area, no one is allowed, and a little bit further there is a Kaliningrad, so I don't know, it's this bridge is from medieval times or it's from Soviet era, or I don't even imagine, but it looks really impressive. It's a little bit shame that I cannot lift my drone and show you from above how cool and how awesome it looks like, but yeah, I can show you only like that. Reminds some kind of road from Roman Empire, from those movies. Yeah, awesome place. I'm not a history guy, but when I see things like that, when you can touch history with your own hands, it's always exciting. Also, this is what's left from old customs of Shilininki. So it's very overgrown and not much left. There is some kind of stairs, and there was once some kind of customs building. Lots of activities was here and quite historic, interesting place. So So apparently, location where I wanted to spend night, it's very commercial and everything is closed. You have to rent your own small house and blah blah blah. It's not what I was looking for. I'm more into wild camping than commercial stuff like that. So now I'm moving away from the Nemunas, going a little bit around and try to find some place closer to town Shilutė. Maybe I will get lucky and find some location. Hello, Mr. Lady. Good evening, ma'am. Well, I decided I will stay in campsite with garbage bag. There is no wind in here. It's very quiet, cozy. I moved my car here because if someone will try to drive here, I will not get in the way. Flat surface, nice, beautiful place. Hello, space invaders, use your fork. I will prepare meal for tonight. Let's start the cooking show. I cannot say tacos because I don't know how to make them or how they should taste like or anything. I just purchased these taco pancakes. So okay, let's prepare. I think I will not manage to eat all of this, so maybe slice it like that. Okay, let's use a lot of vegetables. Maybe we can use a little bit of pepper just for some I cannot say spiciness, but some texture. Bacon is a little bit burned, but I hope it will taste fine. Okay, all I have to do is try to roll them, maybe something like that, and stir it to my mouth. Oh shit. These are good. It tastes really not bad. Bacon have some smokiness. Vegetables and tomato pasta. Everything blends really well. Awesome. My bed feels a little bit hard, but of course for tonight it will be okay. I have one friend here. He's not paying rent, so I have to get rid of him. Okay, see you guys in the morning. Good night. Good morning. I had really warm and cozy night. Slept really well. I started my campfire again, so I will prepare some breakfast and coffee for morning. Let's use leftovers from yesterday. If you never had drone, and drones are, oh, I'm low on battery, let's go home, is like freedom to another side, and it was really stressful. This is really good camera. Watch this. Stay. Good boy. And drones are bastards, they leave you as soon as battery go low. Is he running on those 3 legs? No, he will not run away. He's a good boy. It's been quite interesting, tiny adventure. Don't forget, guys, that I am always waiting for comments, for subscribers, for likes and everything. Especially in the comment section is my favorite. Answering questions and arguing with viewers are really awesome experience. Yeah, so thank you guys again for watching, and see you on my next adventure. Goodbye. Left, 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 right, left.